Hi amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In this video, let's discuss an easy first chapter of of 1B locus. So firstly, let's start this chapter with the definition, which is as follows. Locus is a set of points that satisfies first the given consistent geometric condition. So if we look into the definition, locus is a set of points that satisfies a given consistent geometric condition. So if we assume this points to be circle locus, so let's assume this point C as center and the distance, this fixed point, this set of points are called as locus. The distance, usually the locus is represented with P. So the distance from P to the center is equal from all the directions. P to C is equal, and this point to C is equal, this point to C is equal, this point to C is equal, this point to C is equal. So the locus is nothing but the set of points that satisfy the given geometric condition. What? The locus is a set of points that satisfies a given geometric condition. Simply, locus is nothing but a point on a plane. Generally, locus is represented by P x comma y. And this chapter's weightage is 4 plus 4. Before COVID, it is used to be 4 marks. Amigos, there is nothing much more to explain in this definition. So let's go to the solved problems, which is as below. Find the equation of the locus of a point which is distance phi from a point minus 2 comma 3 in XOY plane. O X Y. This is XOY plane. In this plane, there is a point. Let us assume A minus 2 comma 3 and a locus point. Locus is nothing but a point in a plane. Let us assume here P x comma y. The distance between these 2 points is said to be phi. So solution. Firstly, let the locus be P x comma y. So if you directly write the solution, you will not be getting marks in board exams as it carries 4 marks. Please write every step as written below. Let the locus point be P x comma y. The given point is A minus 2 comma 3, and it is given that the distance from the point is 5. So P to A distance is 5. PA is equals to 5 units. As in the previous classes, you have learned that the distance between 2 points, suppose x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, be root over y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Apply the same formula here. So root over, here y2 is 3 and y1 is y itself, plus x2 is minus 2 plus minus x1 is x whole square is equals to 5. Squaring on both sides, solve. So this is 3 minus y whole square plus minus 2 minus x whole square is equals to 5 square. Nextly, expand this, which is in the formula of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. 4x is equals to 25. First arrange x square terms. Higher degree, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. 9 plus 4 is 13 is equals to 25. Bring this 25 to this side. So this will become x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13 minus 25 is equals to 0. So finally the answer is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of the locus which he asked us to find in the question. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that find the equation of the locus of point P if distance from point A is twice the distance of P to B. So in this question, the first two steps are common. Let the locus be P x comma y and the given points is A 3, 0 and B minus 3, 0. And I have forgot to say you that this P in the previous sum, the PA is equals to 5 is the geometric condition. So please remember that. For this sum, it is given that point P distance from PA is twice PB. So this is the geometric condition for this question. If you know how to draft this geometric condition, you will be easily solving this problem. So PA, distance from P to A, root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to 2 into root over x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Distance formula. Squaring on both sides. So this is x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equals to 4 into x plus 3 whole square plus y square. Expand this brackets. X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square is equals to 4 into x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to multiply this 4 inside the bracket. So this is 4x square plus 4y square plus 24x plus 36. Take this terms on LHS to RHS. 4x square plus 4y square plus 24x plus 36 minus x square minus y square plus 6x minus 9 is equals to 0. So 4x square minus x square, 3x square, 4y square minus y square, 3y square, 24x plus 6x, 30x, 36 minus 9, 27. So take 3 common from all these terms. So this is x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Bring this 3 to that side. So the final equation of locus will be x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that find the locus of third vertex of right angle triangle whose the ends of hypotenuse are given as 4, 0 and 0, 4. Take this as a right angle triangle. Right angle here A, B and C. So it is given that ends of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse and its ends are A and C. So 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. Instead of B, consider this part as P, locus. So start the same procedure again. Let the locus be P x comma y. Given points A 4 comma 0, C 0 comma 4. As this is a right angle triangle, we have to use the formula Pythagoras theorem, PA square plus PC square is equals to AC square. So if the question contains right angle triangle, simply use the formula AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square, Pythagoras theorem, which we have learned in 10th class and 9th class. So substitute the values. So root over x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus root over x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to root over 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled. So you are left with x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus x square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 4 square plus 4 square. So this is 4 square plus 4 square. Expand this formula, x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus x square. Expand this, y square plus 16 minus 8y is equals to 16 plus 16. 16 gets cancelled. 16. So you are left with 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 8y is equals to 0. As this above equation is divided by 2, take 2 common. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. So take this 2 to RHS. So finally the answer will be x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y is equals to 0. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the next sum, which is given that find the equation of the locus of P if the ratio of the distance from P to A and B is 2:3. So start the same procedure again. Let the locus be P x comma y. Given that A 5 comma minus 4 and B 7 comma 6. So it is given that the ratio of distance from B to A, PA by PB is equals to, given that 2:3. So it is 2:3. This is the geometric condition for this question. So cross multiply this. So 3 into PA is equals to 2 into PB. This is root over x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equals to 2 into root over x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Squaring on both sides. So this becomes 9 into x minus 5 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equals to 4 into x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Expand this. So which is 9 into x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 16 plus 8y is equals to 4 into x square plus 49 minus 14x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. Multiply this 9 inside the bracket, which raised to 9x square plus 9y square minus 90x plus 72y plus 41. 25 plus 16 is 41, and 41 into 9 is 369 is equals to 4x square plus 4y square minus 56x minus 48y. 49 plus 36 is 65, and 65 49 plus 36, sorry, it's 85. 85 into 4 is 340. 85 into 4 is 340. Take this RHS term to LHS. 9x square plus 9y square minus 90x plus 72y plus 369 minus 4x square. Sign changes when it carries to RHS or LHS. 4y square plus 56x plus 48y minus 340 is equals to 0. So 9x square minus 4x square, it is 5x square, plus 9y square minus 4y square plus 5y square minus 90x plus 56x minus 46x minus minus 90x plus 56x is equals to 34x. 72y plus 48y, it's 120y plus 120y plus 369 minus 340 is 29. So the final answer will be 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 is equals to this 0. I hope you have understood the previous sum. So let's go to the last example, which is given that a is 2,3 and b is minus 3,4 are given 2 points. Find the equation of locus. So area of triangle is 8.5. So if this consider PAB, the area of this triangle is 8.5. So let the locus point be Px comma y. Given points A 2,3, B minus 3,4. The given geometric condition is area of triangle means PAB is equals to 8.5 square units. From the previous classes, we have learned that the formula for area of triangle, which is half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 modulus is equals to 8.5 degrees. Take this 2 to RHS, which becomes x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 modulus 8.5 into 2 is 17. So this is 17. If we consider this x2 y2 x3 y3, substitute the points, and this is x and y, same, x into y2 minus y1 plus x2 is 2, y3 4 minus y1 x plus x3 minus 3 of y1 minus y2. y minus 3. So this is y minus 3 is equals to 17. So multiply this inside. X into, first solve the brackets. 3 minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 into 4 minus x plus minus 3 into y minus 3 is equals to 17. So this is mod minus x plus 8 minus 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equals to 17. This is minus 3x minus 3y minus 3x minus 3y. Sorry, the value of y1 is y, not x. So this will be y. So it is minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equals to 17. If you there is a property for which if you take modulus of 1, x is equals to plus or minus 1. Similarly, this is minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equals to plus or minus 17. So first take common minus from these terms. X plus 5y minus 17 is equals to plus or minus 17. So solve this. First take plus 17 inside, next take minus 17 inside. From taking that, you will get two equations which include x plus 5y is equals to 0 and x plus 5y minus 34 is equals to 0. I will show you how to do this. Plus 17 is equals to plus or minus 17. Minus x minus 5y plus 17. Plus 17 first and minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equals to minus 17. Take the 17 inside. Minus x minus 5y plus 17 minus 17 is equals to 0. Similarly, minus x minus 5y plus 17 plus 17. So 17 gets cancelled. This is minus x minus 5y is equals to 0. And this is minus x minus 5y plus 34 is equals to 0. Take minus common. So this is x plus 5y is equals to 0. Take minus common. This is x plus 5y minus 34 is equals to 0. So you have got two equations. So therefore the required locus equation is x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 is equals to 0. That's proved. After the sum you can even multiply inside and write the answer, or else